This gentleman needs to basically dig out a pit right here. But you might think that it's easy, but it's much more difficult than you really think. And as you can see, first off, they actually have to dig a smaller cube square to start off the construction. Now, the reason they actually do this is actually more shocking than you think. You see, they actually have to load up the base with cement to build up the tower building of houses that they will soon build here. But they actually use the crane head to make the boundaries and finish off the base of the building. And it's actually quite difficult to do this because they have to tilt the crane head